New print is just finished. Let's take a look at. I don't know if you guys can see. It looks like they all came out round, like the volume knobs that they should be. Let's get them off. Remove it. Put it over here. Grab our spatula. Seems to be coming off pretty good. Alright. Done. Let's see how easy these are to pop off. Oh, let me get it. Alright. Okay. It's not the best, not the worst. Let's get the rest. See how you can kind of see the detail inside. The top. Not that great, but if I sand it, it should be alright. To clean these. Our water solution. Boop, 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 boop. Clean. Curing. Gotta make sure we cure it. Now we can take our buttons that we've made. And the little threading came out pretty good. You can see that. Beep, beep, beep. Well, it goes right here. Yeah, contact, baby. Put the rest on. Alright, they all fit. Just gotta sand the fronts down a little bit. Subscribe for more.